Assalamualaikum students. Today we will see what are the clinical manifestations of congestive cardiac failure. Clinical manifestations means what are the signs and symptoms of congestive cardiac failure. जो इसके clinical features है that are related to impaired myocardial function, pulmonary congestion and systemic venous congestion. As जो इसके clinical features हैं that are related to impaired myocardial function, pulmonary congestion and systemic venous turn, systemic venous congestion. The clinical features of congestive cardiac failure are related to impaired myocardial function, pulmonary congestion and systemic venous congestion. Now first, that is impaired myocardial function. First, impaired myocardial function. When myocardial functions are impaired, that are presented with, there is tachycardia. The child is presented with tachycardia, poor peripheral perfusion, child becomes paler, fatigability, excessive perspiration, restlessness, also activity intolerance. These symptoms are found when there is impaired myocardial functions. ये symptoms आते हैं जब myocardial function impaired होती है. Firstly क्या होता है? There is tachycardia, means कि there is rapid heart rate. Tachycardia means there is rapid heart rate that is greater than 100 beats per minute. When there is rapid heart rate greater than 100 beats per minute, that condition is known as a tachycardia. उसको हम बोलते हैं tachycardia. जब heart rate ज़्यादा होती है 100 beats per minute से, उस condition को बोला जाता है tachycardia. Poor peripheral perfusion. That means कि inadequate perfusion होता है, या हम बोलते हैं decreased arterial blood flow हो जाता है to the extremities में. Decreased arterial blood flow to extremities. This results in there is cool extremities. जो extremities होती है that becomes cool. Also जो peripheral pulse होता है that is weak. Peripheral pulse also becomes weak. That's known as the poor peripheral perfusion. Poor peripheral perfusion हम किसको बोलते हैं? जब decreased arterial blood flow होता है to the extremities में. इसकी वजह से क्या होता है कि जो extremities होती है, both upper and lower extremities, वो cool हो जाती है. Also जो peripheral pulse होता है that is weak. और another symptom is that is the child becomes paler. Fatigability. That means कि fatigability हम बोलते हैं when fatigue is induced. Fatigability is a condition in which fatigue is induced. That is known as the fatigability. या सिंपली हम बोलते हैं this is the tiredness. When child becomes tired, that is known as the fatigability. Another symptom is the excessive perspiration. Excessive perspiration means there is excessive sweating because of impaired myocardial function. The child is having excessive sweating. Child becomes restlessness and there is activity intolerance. Yeah, exercise intolerance. These symptoms are found when there is impaired myocardial function. When there is pulmonary congestion, because of pulmonary congestion, the child is presented with as, because of pulmonary congestion, child is manifested as tachypnea, cyanosis, nasal flaring, grunting, non-productive, and irritating cough. Also, dyspnea. These symptoms are found when there is pulmonary congestion. Pulmonary congestion में क्या क्या symptoms आते हैं? There is tachypnea, cyanosis, nasal flaring, grunting, non-productive and irritating cough, and dyspnea. Firstly, what is the tachypnea? Tachypnea means when there is fast breathing, abnormal fast breathing. That is known as tachypnea. Cyanosis, bluish coloration of the skin. Cyanosis or ash grey discoloration. Discoloration of skin may occur. That is known as cyanosis. Nasal flaring. Nasal flaring, this is the sign of difficult breathing. Nasal flaring is a sign of difficult breathing. When there is difficult breathing, nasal flaring occurs. नेजल फ्लैरिंग हम किसको बोलते हैं? जब नॉस्ट्रल्स जो है वो वाइड हो जाते हैं वाइल ब्रीदिंग. नॉस्ट्रल्स बिकम वाइड. Nostrils become wide while breathing. This is a sign of difficult breathing. Also, grunting. Another symptom is grunting. Grunting is a sound that grunts. Usually, it is used to express an effort. This is a sound that child makes to express effort. Also, another symptom is there is cough, but that cough is non-productive and is also irritating cough. Another symptom is the dyspnea, means there is difficult breathing. Difficult breathing, or also known as shortness of breath. या हम इसको बोलते हैं there is labored breathing. That is known as the dyspnea. These are the signs and symptoms that occurs when there is pulmonary congestion, or we can say in pulmonary congestion the child is presented with these signs and symptoms. In systemic venous congestion, when there is systemic venous congestion, that is presented as hepatomegaly, peripheral edema, water, weight gain, abdominal discomfort, anorexia, and feeding difficulties. Systemic venous congestion is presented with hepatomegaly, peripheral edema, water weight gain, abdominal discomfort, anorexia and feeding difficulties. ये some ये जो ये sign and symptoms है that are found when there is systemic venous congestion. Hepatomegaly means there is abnormal enlarged liver. That is known as the hepatomegaly. When liver gets enlarged abnormally, that condition is known as the hepatomegaly. या peripheral edema होता है. Peripheral edema, water weight gain हो जाता है. edema यूजुअली किसकी वजह से होता है? ड्यू टू द रिटेंशन ऑफ सोडियम हो जाता है, रिटेंशन ऑफ सोडियम होता है एंड ऑल्सो रिटेंशन ऑफ वाटर. इसकी वजह से edema होता है. रिटेंशन ऑफ सोडियम and water leads to peripheral edema. Water weight gain हो जाता है, abdominal discomfort, anorexia and feeding difficulties. These symptoms are found in systemic venous congestion of congestive cardiac failure. These are the signs and symptoms of congestive cardiac failure.